1.4 liter turbo. This is a Chevy Cruz. I know, it's like a little bit gross, right? Open heart surgery. What year is this thing? 2016. It's getting an engine. So here's the engine here. So Chevy Cruz gets a engine in this video. Maybe help somebody out there, the approach to changing out an engine in a Chevy Cruz or Chevy Sonic, which is pretty much the same operation. Different body style, maybe a little tighter inside the Sonic, but this is my coworker doing this job. This is how you get it done. Just wanted to share kind of a way to look at it, a way to approach this. It is the best way to do it without breaking heater hoses and lines, and basically put it on jack stands, unbolted everything, and then we use the lift to lift the car up and out over it. So that was the approach. And now tear it off the transmission and put the new one on. Well, used one. Used part, but this is how it's done. It was a lot of checking all data, finding out what to unbolt from the top, and yeah, man, my coworker did this. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below. Maybe we could answer some of those later on. My own Chevy Sonic had heart failure at 157,000 miles. So this is something I would have wanted to do had I the money or resources at the time. But this is what I needed to do to my Chevy Sonic. Chevy Cruz, it's pretty much the same deal, different body style, but this is how they come out. Well, you raise the car up over it. You have everything right here as a little workbench to work on with the lift here. I hope that helps. Don't forget to subscribe, and why not watch another video? Stick around!